Most traditional estate agents will start with valuing your property, then take photographs, create a description of the property, and put it on the market using Rightmove, Zoopla, or similar websites. They would put it on the market for a price you're looking to achieve and hope to get offers from buyers, first-time buyers, investors, and people who are upgrading or downsizing. An agent will then arrange viewings for you, receive offers, negotiate the offers for you, and ultimately secure a buyer. But if your property is not receiving enough interest, a traditional estate agent would usually suggest lowering the price. This process goes on and on until they see enough interest in your property.